When writing the results section of your research, your goal is to present your findings in a clear, concise, and structured manner. This section should focus solely on reporting the data, without interpretation or discussion. Think of it as answering the question, "What did you find?" Begin by organizing your results logically, often following the order of your research questions or hypotheses. If your study involves numerical data or statistical analysis, ensure that you present key figures, such as percentages, correlation coefficients, or significance levels, to support your findings. To enhance readability, consider using tables, graphs, or charts, but avoid redundancy. Your visuals should complement, not repeat, your written explanations. For example, if your study examined consumer banking preferences, you might write, "Survey results revealed that 75% of respondents preferred online banking over traditional banking. Furthermore, regression analysis indicated a significant correlation between income level and investment behavior, with a p-value of less than 0.05. Once your findings have been clearly presented, you move on to the discussion section. This is where you interpret the results, explore their implications, and connect them to existing research. Instead of simply restating what was found, the discussion should answer the key question: why do these findings matter? Start by explaining what your results suggest in relation to your research questions. Do they confirm or challenge previous studies? How do they contribute to the broader field of knowledge? If your findings are consistent with past research, highlight that alignment. If they differ, provide possible explanations for the discrepancy. For instance, continuing with the banking preference example, your discussion might say, "The strong preference for online banking observed in this study aligns with previous research by Smith 2020, which also reported a growing shift toward digital financial services. However, the significant correlation between income and investment behavior suggests that economic disparities continue to influence financial decision-making. This finding underscores the need for further studies to explore the factors driving these trends." It is also essential to acknowledge the limitations of your study. Every research project has constraints, whether it's a small sample size, potential biases, or external factors that might have influenced the results. Addressing these limitations does not weaken your research, rather it demonstrates intellectual honesty and a balanced perspective. Finally, conclude your discussion by suggesting directions for future research. Are there lingering questions that need further investigation? Could alternative methodologies provide deeper insights? Offering these suggestions not only strengthens your study's impact, but also helps guide future researchers in expanding upon your work. In summary, the results section presents your findings objectively, while the discussion section explains their meaning, connects them to existing research, acknowledges limitations, and proposes future research directions. By writing these sections with clarity and logical flow, you ensure that your research is both insightful and impactful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.